Hey guys, this is Scott with Probable Trades for your update for July 13th, 2017. And here's my trade plan for today. I shorted Avis Budget Group, which is CAR. It was our first LPO one that was a short. That's kind of new. And then I also shorted a couple international ETFs, a Brazilian ETF PBR. Excuse me, that's a Brazilian company, uh, an oil company, uh, and then also the Russian ETF RSX. And then we bought AstraZeneca on the PBO1 near at the open, and had a few exits as well. 4 exits to be exact. 2 were winners, 2 were losers. On balance for a small loss for the day. Exits. We exited AGN, MSCC, EWJ, and then a July trade we exited, June, DTE. And overall, I think we lost about $100 or something, a little over $100 all between all 4 of them. So that was a little disappointing, but that's trading. It's been a good month, good several months, so that happens. We'll see what happens tomorrow. One thing I want to talk about, though, is something I noticed. Let's see. So yesterday, we got an exit signal for this stock here, NRG, an energy company. And this was a signal on July 6th was the entry signal to go long, and today was the exit signal to sell and at a 29% profit in 6 days. And I did not take this trade. Now I'm going to tell you why. First of all, though, it's easy to look at these and say, "Man, I wish I had that one and that one, and boy, I wish I did that one." And I'm just going to take all these from now on. But really, you need to play the long game. In probabilistic trading, you need to follow the law of large numbers, which is that over time, if you have a statistical edge, you'll come out on top. Now that journey in the middle, we'll have ups and downs, and you're not going to catch every big winner, and you're not always going to avoid every big loser. But over time, you will have what we call positive expectancy, and you will have profits. So let me just show you why I didn't take this great trade, which would have been great. But so if you look at the historical performance of NRG on the PBO1 system, or strategy, which was the strategy was fired on, you can see that it only wins 36% of the time, and the profit factor is less than 1, which means a money loser. And in fact, if you look at the equity chart here, take out the short trades, you can see up until this trade, it was down $4,000 since 2005. Here's the most recent trade, which made $2,000. All this assuming we had $10,000 investments in each trade. And then you can see the details of the signal here and all that. But so I don't really lament too much at all, really, that I didn't take this trade, because I'm following my plan. I'm playing the long game. I'm trying to put the law of large numbers in my favor, and you guys should do that too. And I just wanted to show you a chart. Where's my chart? So I think the signal was here, 7.6. We had a little more weakness after the entry, and then something must have been said or happened, or maybe there was a takeover. I don't know what happened, but there's no way you could have predicted this or foreseen these 2 big moves. The sell signal was here at the close, and then so you would have exited this morning at the open, so you would exit around here. So anyway, don't get discouraged. Don't get greedy, and let, when you see things like that, let discourage you, or get too greedy and go too big, or take every signal. And we will have some more discussion about position sizing, how many positions should I be in at the same time, how big should each position be, and that sort of thing. So you know how to divide up your money into a certain number of trades. So you have enough money left around for new signals that come around while you still are holding on to playing out the signals you've already taken. And you want to maximize your return, your capital, by allocating it properly. So that's about all I have for today. And for tomorrow, tomorrow we have a few interesting trades to look at. Members will see in the subscription area one interesting trade on LPO1, and then a couple shorts that I'll be taking on the PBO1 side that I think 2 of them matched my criteria. All right, guys, have a good night. Don't forget to contact us or email us if you have any questions, and we'll see you tomorrow.